As of Monday, masks will no longer be required in Springfield. It's a major move announced earlier today by Mayor Dominic Sarno and his Health and Human Services Commissioner.
Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford joins us now live to break down what this means for Springfield residents and also visitors. Paris.
Chris, Jordan, starting November 1st, masks will no longer be required in the city of Springfield. Now, city leaders citing the decline in positive COVID-19 cases and the increase in vaccination rates as the main reasons for lifting that mandate. Back in September, Mayor Dominic Sarno implemented an indoor mask mandate for the city of Springfield after seeing a spike in positive COVID-19 cases.
They were numbering $150, 150 or so a day, which rivaled the early versions of this COVID-19 pandemic.
The deadline to revisit the mandate was November 1st, and on Wednesday, Sarno, along with the city's Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris, announced the mandate would be lifted.
I'm going to burn my mask.
Will you be taking it off?
Off and done with it, hopefully for good.
I like it. I think it's a good thing. You know, I'll wear a mask where I have to, but, I'd rather not.
Mayor Sarno says positive cases have significantly declined over the past 5 weeks, which is why they feel it's safe to drop the mandate.
Monday, I believe we had 11 reported infections.
Also, he says the vaccination rate for the city has gone up about 12% since the mandate was put in place. While Springfield residents and visitors will no longer need to mask up starting next week, it is still strongly recommended. Mayor Sarno says they wanted to keep the mandate through the Halloween weekend to protect young children who are not yet eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. And there is an increase in positive cases among those young people, according to Commissioner Colton-Harris.
Last week, amongst those 554 cases, 71 were 0 to 10, and they cannot be vaccinated.
That's why she strongly encourages Springfield residents to get their vaccine. And following the latest guidance from the State Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, students in Springfield Public Schools will continue to wear masks for their safety through at least January 15th. Now, despite the mask mandate being lifted, Colton-Harris still asks that residents continue to use their better judgment when deciding to wear masks in public places.
It is important to know your environment, know where you are. If you are in a large gathering with individuals that you do not know, it is important that you consider keeping on a face covering to keep yourself healthy.
Now, Mayor Sarno and Commissioner Colton-Harris both stress that they still reserve the right to re-implement a mask mandate if another spike of COVID cases occurs in the community. Reporting live in Springfield, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.